A very good evening to one and all present, and welcome to a fresh, new, brand new episode of View TV Express with Ease. Uh, an episode series which is very special to our hearts because this is a one of a kind series where week on week, we get youngsters to discuss contemporary topics related, to politics, related to social issues, and we get to hear from them what they feel about each of these issues. What does the youth think that whether particularly particular political issues or controversial issues which are being dealt with in the correct manner or not. I have to say I've been doing this for so many weeks now, and it's really interesting, engaging to listen to what each of these students bring to the table. And I'm equally excited to be joined by this bright panel today, where we're going to be discussing a very important topic.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Ashanya Singh, as you have already introduced me. According to my opinion, art should not be censored. Like I agree to 50-50. Art should have a limit, but it should not be censored. Like there was a question where to draw the line. So according to me, if we would censor the art, or we could say that if we would have some limits, that would be good, or you can say best, rather than just stopping it. Because if we would put some unlimited borders on arts or artists, we can say, then they would not be able to give their 100%. So according to me, I agree to yes, art should also be censored, and no, it should not also be not censored.
No, ma'am, I totally agree with Ashanya, whatever she said. As art is something that artists use to show their feelings and to show their emotions to the people who are seeing it or who are listening it, or whatever the type of art it is. So I think that it should have limit, but it should not be censored. As if it gets censored, so it will be permanently censored, and all the types of art will be censored. So I think it should have only limit. It should not be censored.
Ma'am, I also agree with Ashanya and Ashmit that art should not be censored. Ma'am, because ma'am, if we censor the art, ma'am, so it will not be fair for the artist. Means, ma'am, they are there to show their skills through their arts only. And ma'am, if we censor the art, so they will get, means they are suppressed to show their skills. And it will also kill the spirit of democracy. Ma'am, in the democracy, every person has the right to speak and show their expression. So art should not be censored.
Good evening, all of you. I'm here, Anushka Srivastava, to present my views. Ma'am, according to you, art and my three friends should not be censored. I think it should be censored because I think those who are not getting the opportunity, we go through the government acts. I think so that art should be censored completely, because if a person is only thinking that I can do the art trick, so they can be updated to a platform. It is not so like they are at their homes and making arts and not getting opportunity. Government is giving them opportunity, so art should be censored at government level so that they can get the opportunity.
So, one of the incidents we spoke about, that how in the recent times, there's a lot of controversy around, comedians. Where especially the content that they are generating, and when they are criticizing the government, they're criticizing institutions. There has been a situation where they have really gained the ire of these situations. So, do you think, I'd like to know, on controversial topics, on slightly sensitive topics, do you think we need to draw a line? Like, can comedians go into that area? Because one school of thought is that, comedy going into that area actually helps in sort of throwing light on that area. So, what do you think about it?